What's up guys, it's Albert from Muffin Group, and this video I would like to show you how easy it is to create your first WooCommerce store in less than 10 minutes. I assume you already have a hosting and domain and WordPress is installed, so I will skip these things to go to the specifics. Right now on my screen you see the website that I'm going to recreate in this video. This site contains all elements like the menu with mega menu, slider, different boxes, elements, the products and many other things. So I'm going to recreate all of these things in a new instance of WordPress. For the purposes of this video, I choose Betheme WordPress theme obviously and the host Armada hosting. Why I did choose the host Armada? There are three main reasons why I did this. Firstly, by testing many cheap hostings that a wide range of customers care about the most, it's pretty fast, stable, and they provide great support like no other I've tested. Secondly, they were able to make a one-click installer thanks to which the installation of Betheme and WordPress takes place together directly from cPanel. This means that you will never have to waste time installing WordPress and then theme separately again. It is a significant simplification of work and its acceleration. Thirdly, with the code Betheme75, you get a 75% of discount on services, which makes the choice of this hosting even more interesting. Alright, let's jump into my screen and I will show you how all these things looks like. So what you actually see on my screen is the dashboard of the host Armada hosting. So what you see are just some informations like the invoices and the other things that you don't have to care about. And this is the box I care the most about. So right now I will go to the cPanel of my hosting that I've chosen, and as soon as I scroll down to the bottom and the section WordPress Premium Themes One-Click Installers, I have the Betheme. And what I have to do right now is just click on this Betheme icon and it will take me to the next step where I can choose where I would like to install the Betheme with WordPress. So because I have several domains assigned to my account, I can choose between them, but if you have one, you will just see the one of them. And so I'm going to choose my domain right now and I'm going to click the install button. You will see that this process is pretty quick, and as soon as it will finish, at the bottom you will see all necessary details like the URL to the WordPress, to the admin panel, created username and password. After installation, we can click on the link to the WordPress dashboard panel and use the details that has been created by the host Armada automatically. And as soon as we log into the WP dashboard, we can go to the Betheme dashboard section. As you can see, just after the installation from the host Armada cPanel, the license of Betheme is not registered. And until we register the product, most options like the pre-built websites that I'm about to show you will not be available. So let's register the license first, and as soon as we do this, in the left top corner we will see the green information that the license is registered, and on the right side you're gonna see the information about the version we actually have. And because the version that right now is on the host Armada is not up to date, straight after the registration you have something like a bouncing bell icon with the information that the new version is available. So basically all we have to do now is click on that box and from the dashboard updates, we can update the theme easily, and it should just take a couple of seconds. Alright, the theme has updated, so we can go back to the Betheme dashboard. Okay, so as the license is already registered, we can go through the pre-built website installation, which is a quicker way to install the pre-built website we would like to have. We can go through the setup wizard as well, but I've already shown you in the other tutorial, so I will leave the link to this tutorial in the left top corner. Okay, so the pre-built website I'm going to install right now is the one I shown you at the beginning of this video, which is default store 2. I'm going to choose the bbuilder because I prefer this one. I'm going to install complete website, and we can go through the installation process. As soon as we click the start installation button, we will be asked if we would like to remove all media from the WP uploads, and we have to confirm that we understand it and there is no undo. So let's just check both options and click delete. So the installation has begun, and right now the database has to be reset first. Later the plugins that are required for this pre-built website has to be installed. As soon as the installation process is finished, you will see the end screen with all necessary details and information. And by the way, there is one thing which might be pretty important and I forgot to mention. The installation process may take from a couple of seconds to at least a minute, as so far we didn't notice any longer time of installation than a minute, even on the cheapest hosting services we've been working on so far. Okay, so this is the end screen I've been talking about, and what I can do now is regenerate thumbnail sizes for the images that have been uploaded to the media library with pre-built website, but because it's not necessary, I'm going to click the check your website button to see if the website I've just imported looks exactly the same as the one I've been showing you at the beginning of this video. As you can see, imported pre-built website looks exactly the same as the one I've presented before. All media, products, etc. has been imported and you're ready to go. What you can do now is adjusting all elements of your website according to your own predispositions. The products have also been imported, so you can either remove them and add your own or edit the current ones by needs. In fact, having a website created in this way, you can now do whatever you want. Our incredible bbuilder will certainly help you here. If you haven't had the chance to check it out yet, you will find a link to this tutorial in the upper left corner. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I put some light on how easy first steps with the WooCommerce might be. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. If you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.